guys, I hope you liked that video, and hopefully it helps step up your filming game with your van life vlogs. I know a lot of you guys out there are doing great work, and you guys are creating some awesome content, and maybe these tips helped you. Let me know down in the comments below if you do anything specific to help make your videos more entertaining or more noticeable. Okay? Till next time, guys, this was a quick one.